Hi everybody. In this video, I want to explain you how you can leverage generative AI to start identifying and analyzing competitors when you're building a new venture. Now, when we want to build a new venture, it is important to understand the competition. So who is developing similar value propositions, who is addressing similar pain points, and who is targeting similar customers. And today, generative AI can be a valuable tool to help us in that respect. And the first approach we can follow is to do competitor identification using Perplexity AI. So Perplexity AI is a very good tool to find factual information about competitors. And let me briefly show you how you can do that. So let me open my Perplexity AI so that I can show it to you. So here is an example of a prompt that we can use. So I give it some context. I'm saying you're a consulting company that can help companies in identifying competitors. I give a lot of information on my value proposition that I already have developed. And I ask to do a competitor analysis, and the output should be provided in the table format. And I also have enabled the Pro option in Perplexity AI because then it will actually do some chain of thought reasoning behind the scenes. And as you will see, in that way, I was able to generate a very nice table with a description of competitors and some additional information like headquarter location, amount of funding raised, and the name of the founders. So in this way, with quite a straightforward prompt, we can quickly identify some important competitors. And the nice thing of Perplexity AI is that you can then easily click on the links and get additional information. So this is definitely a first approach to start your competitor analysis. Another approach is applying an application that I've built called the Startup Competitor Analysis and Optimization Tool. So this is an open source application that I've developed to, again, help you identifying competitors, but also to analyze these competitors and actually use that information to improve your value proposition. So let me show you how it works. So let me briefly go to the actual websites, which will also be in the descriptions of the video. So here, what you need to provide upfront is a Croc API key. And a Croc API key you can get for free at croc.com. So you simply have to create a username, and then you will have to confirm via an email. And then when you're logged in, you can create a free API key. So there are no costs involved. This is just for free. And on top of that, because in this application, we also want to go to the internet, you have to create an API key from Serper. Again, you can go to serper.dev. And actually there you can get up to 2,500 free credits. So this is the website of Croc API key, where you then can apply for your API key. And this is the Serper website, where when you create a new login, you get 2,500 free credits, which will already give you quite some options to use the application. Yes, so again, let me show you how this application works. So indeed, I have to enter my own Croc API key in this case and my own Serper API key. Subsequently, I have given a description of my value proposition. I describe the pain point that I want to address, the target market that I want to address, and my unfair advantage. So I've given it some information, and then you can simply click on Start Analysis. And then you will see that the application starts running. Now, this will take some time because actually the agents behind this application have to do quite some research, but after some minutes, you will get your output. And so what will you get as output? Again, you will get a list of competitors. So here we see 4 competitors that the agents have identified. And on top of that, they will give some optimization advice. So based on analyzing these competitors, this application will actually give you some advice on how you can optimize your value proposition, how you can refine your pain points, your target market, and your differentiation from the competition. So in that way, this application can really help you. Let me briefly explain what is actually happening here in the background so that you can understand it. So actually, this application is built on 2 autonomous agents that can work together. So there is a search agent that can actually go to the internet and search for competitors based on the information that the user provides. And there is a second agent called the optimizer agent that will use the information from the first agent to give you some advice on how you can optimize your value proposition. So these are two tools that you can use to start your competition analysis when you want to do venture building. So I hope this is helpful. If you want to know more videos on how generative AI can help you in venture building, I have created a YouTube channel where I try to post some interesting videos. So please don't hesitate to subscribe if you're interested in this topic.